EDSA People Power anniversary. So the question is the values of EDSA still alive? Is EDSA still alive?
Well, it's alive if we commemorate it and we remember it in our hearts. No, alam mo, yung people power, that's the time when the people said, ang taong bayan ang primary. Hindi yung mga government officials, hindi yung mga military, hindi yung mga pulis. Ang taong bayan dapat yung nauuna. We made a stand for democracy. We took a stand against dictatorship. We took a stand against corruption. We took a stand for good governance. At palagay ko, it's important that in our history, there was a time when we stood up to the seemingly most powerful, the seemingly impossible to beat, natalo yun ng taong bayan. And I still contend, even though maybe these days, iba na yung pananaw ng marami nating kababayan, at the end of the day, the one who can solve our problems is still the people. Hindi lang isang tao, hindi lang isang grupo, yung taong bayan. If we decide to really undertake these changes, do these important reforms, as a people, magagawa natin yan. Pag pinapaubayan natin sa isang tao lang, sa dalawang tao lang, o sa isang grupo lang, usually in the end, hindi rin natutuloy yung mga reformang yan.
But Senator Malacañang, for this year, has toned down celebrations and even lowered the budget for this.
Well, that's their prerogative, no? But ang maganda kasi sa EDSA, it belongs to everyone. I think, government doing that move, it's probably the best move for them at this point, considering the president is also not attending. But there are a lot of different celebrations done by different people. Ang celebration po ng people power, again, yung pangalan pa lang people, nasa taong bayan yan. Hindi yan pagmamayari ng isang tao or ng isang pamilya. That belongs to the people and it's up to the people. I know that there are different things happening also around that weekend. Maraming iba't ibang mga bagay. That's how people can celebrate it. With or without, they can join the government activity, they cannot, they can have their own. Yan naman yung pinakadiwa talaga ng people power.
So sa tingin mo, ano ngayon yung talagang dapat ipaglaban pa rin natin vis-a-vis the values of EDSA?
No, it's practically a lot of the same things, to be frank. No? We're still fighting against corruption. Marami pa rin, just the hearings that we have in the Senate, marami pa rin mga nangyayaring hindi dapat nangyayari pagdating sa corruption. We're fighting for democracy, we're fighting for people to be able to speak up. Maybe before, they were fighting for press freedom. Now, maybe it's freedom online, no? To be able to say what you want to say without being trolled. A lot of the things we're fighting for then, pinaglalaban pa rin natin ngayon. At magandang maalala, hindi lang na pinaglaban natin, pero natalo natin.